On this hunt, I'm a cameraman on a youth turkey hunt in Florida, where Luke is trying to get his first gobbler.
Wait till I tell you to shoot. Just wait, Luke. Take your time, buddy. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Let him work. Let him work. Whenever you're ready. Nice shot, buddy. Nice shot, buddy. Good boy. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, dude. That was sweet, man. That was sweet. Oh, you rocked him.
Bird, look at those spurs, man. It's a good bird. Look how pretty he is.
Where he was.
Oh, he just rocked him, man. Look
Yeah,
at that.
dude. Nice shot, dude.
Right in the
Right
head.
on the money.
The Nebraska boys are in. They come in to visit with us. We did some hog hunting, and they were ready to see a Florida turkey hunt. We called Luke up, asked if he was ready to roll. As always, Luke's on point, ready to go. I'm still fired up, man. I just got done telling Casey how these birds will work silently. You got about a 50-50 shot of these birds gobbling. When they're fired up, they're fired up. When they're not, it's almost best just to let them sit it out. But Luke let the bird work beautifully. We got great footage, I think, and put the smoke on him. So, what do you think, man?
Shaking.
You were shaking, weren't you? That was awesome. Way to go, buddy. Congratulations.
Well, we've been on quite a few turkey hunts, me and Justin ourselves, but that was an experience right there.
That was awesome.
Like I said, Clay told us that they come in silent, but boy, just looking around, you know, not seeing anything, not hearing any gobbles like we're used to. All of a sudden, there's a bright red head coming through the trees right next to the palmetto there, and
Not more than, I don't know, 40, 50 yards from where I was sitting. I was sitting on the side
back
where he
there.
came out from. And I thought I kept hearing twigs break, but man, he was quiet.
Luke kept his composure, stayed steady, and man, that shot was true. Just rocked that bird.
Couldn't have made a better shot. Oh,
Tell you what, like I said, we've been on some turkey hunts, but that right there, that'll be a memory.